Hi everyone, and welcome to this video tutorial. In this opportunity, we're going to see how to revert changes in GitHub. So for this case, we have an example, main HTML file, and of course, I'm going to give thank yous to Mr. AJLAKM for the free template. Okay, so this is the template. We're going to see in the browser, and it's working right here. Okay, so we're going to see what happened when we made a mistake editing the file. I'm closing this. And here to the Visual Studio Code, we're going to introduce a small change. Okay, so from here, and now I'm going to delete all of this and save. And of course, we need to check the status of the project. Okay, we're going to make a commit. I'm going to make a push. And we can make a commit. So we check now what happened to the project. Well, see that right now the system is not working. So the chance we have to do here is to reverse the changes we have made. And the code for this is so now we have to check if the undo is done. And as we can see right now, it is. So everything is here. So what we're going to do right now is a new commit git status first. I'm going to do a push. And everything is working good. So thank you for the time, and the link is in the description. Bye bye.